How to install a Unique Home Designs patio screen door featuring the Meshtec Advanced Screen System. Your new patio screen door featuring the Meshtec Advanced Screen System is a heavy-duty replacement product engineered for maximum durability and utility in even the most challenging residential environments. By nature, it is a heavier, more robust product requiring special care in preparation and installation. While the installation is fairly straightforward, there are inherent pinch and crush hazards, and securing readily available professional installation service may be the best route for many homeowners. Be sure to retain all packaging until the patio screen door is successfully installed. Please contact us before returning the product. Customer service and technical support are available Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, by phone at 866-317-8867 or via email at support@uhdco.com. For best results, read the installation instructions in full and watch this video in its entirety before attempting the installation. Installation typically requires 2 people. Be sure to use all appropriate protective equipment, including safety glasses. First, let's prepare the sliding patio screen door track in your patio door for the installation. If your main patio door is metal, you can skip ahead to cleaning the patio screen door track at 2 minutes 23 seconds. If you are installing the patio screen door in a vinyl main patio door, you may need to install a new bottom track center rail insert to support the increased weight of the advanced screen system. Examine the center rail in the bottom sliding patio screen door track. If it is broken, cracked, or appears to be breaking down, it will need to be replaced before installing the sliding patio screen door. Remove the existing insert by placing a putty knife along the back edge and using a pick to pull up the end. Carefully remove the entire track, measure it, and cut the new insert provided with your patio screen door to that length.
Locate the ridge on the replacement rail insert. The ridge should be on the back side with the rail facing up when installing.
Install by sliding or snapping the replacement rail into the track. Your new patio screen door will operate best when installed and maintained in a clean patio screen door track. Identify the sliding screen door track in your main patio screen door and clean it thoroughly using soap and water all the way around the opening. Air or towel dry. Next, we'll prepare your new sliding patio screen door for installation. If equipped with a rubber bug sweep inserted in the side of the door, remove the vertical bug sweep from the non-handle side of the screen door and set aside. If equipped with a permanently installed brush-style sweep, this is not necessary. The patio screen door was built to the specifications provided, including handing, and will only install properly in one direction. The handle side of the new replacement door should be on the same side of the opening as the sliding glass door handle. The locking button on the patio screen door hardware should face toward the inside of your home. Orient the patio screen door properly in front of the open main patio door, and we're ready to install the patio screen door.
Now locate the wheel adjustment screws at the outside of the bottom corners of the screen door. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, turn both adjustment screws clockwise until resistance increases, then stop. Do not over-tighten, as this may strip the screw. The wheels should now fully retract into the frame when you depress them.
Have a helper stand and stabilize the door while you kneel down with the flat-bladed chisel close at hand. Have your helper place the top of the replacement patio screen door into the top track of the main patio door. Lift the bottom of the replacement patio screen door as far toward or into the bottom track of the patio door as it will go, ideally guiding the wheels onto the patio door center rail. This may be a tight fit, requiring you to lever the door into place. If that is the case, while your helper holds the door stable and continues to push it up into the top track, slip the chisel under the frame of the patio screen door near one of the wheels, placing the far end of the chisel over the main patio door tracks. Pull up on the chisel handle while your helper pushes up on the door, levering the patio screen door wheel next to the chisel onto the guide rail. Be careful not to move the chisel excessively and damage the main patio screen door track. Move the chisel to near the other wheel and repeat this procedure. If you have difficulty lifting and levering the patio screen door into place, move down the opening and try again. Most patio door openings are not square, and the patio screen door will be easiest to install at the opening's tallest point. Once installed, slide the patio screen door to ensure the wheels are in place on the guide rail and operating smoothly.
With the door installed on the track, use the screwdriver to evenly adjust each wheel, turning counterclockwise until the door is snug and operates smoothly. This will typically take several rounds of adjustment.
Next, we'll install the bug sweep. The sweep is installed to provide a seal against the main patio door fixed panel vertical style and will usually need to be trimmed to fit, or it may inhibit slide and latch operation. Press the bug sweep back into the door frame in the channel opposite the handle side. If the bug sweep is too long, carefully trim the excess with the utility knife. When the screen door is closed, the bug sweep should fit snugly against the vertical style or the edge of the glass of the main patio door and operative panel. If the bug sweep is too wide and interferes with the operation of the screen door, again, carefully trim excess material using a utility knife or scissors. To complete the installation, we just need to install the strike latch. First, move the door to a few inches from closed. Place the strike latch in the frame jamb as shown. Place and hold the screen handle latch bar in unlatched position. Move the strike latch up or down in the frame pocket until the edge of the strike latch just clears the handle latch bar when it is held in the unlatched position. Mark this location through the mounting slot in the strike latch. Now drill a pilot hole in the marked location using a 1/8 inch bit. Using the screws provided, attach the strike latch to the frame and test and adjust the latch by sliding the handle latch bar downward. And that's all there is to installing the patio screen door featuring the Meshtec Advanced Screen System.